Your home is more than just a place to live, it's your sanctuary. Ensuring its protection from the elements is a top priority, especially in Orangeburg, where unpredictable weather patterns can put your home's integrity to the test. One of the most effective ways to shield your home is by installing durable, weather-resistant windows. These windows not only provide superior protection against harsh weather conditions but also enhance your home's energy efficiency, security, and aesthetic appeal. Why weather-resistant windows are essential in Orangeburg. Orangeburg's climate includes hot summers, humid conditions, and occasional storms. These factors can strain traditional windows, leading to issues like air leaks, water infiltration, and energy loss. Durable, weather-resistant windows are specifically designed to withstand these challenges, providing long-lasting performance and peace of mind. Whether you're dealing with high temperatures, heavy rain, or strong winds, weather-resistant windows offer a reliable barrier that protects your home from the outside elements. Benefits of durable, weather-resistant windows: enhanced protection from severe weather. Weather-resistant windows are built to endure extreme conditions. They feature reinforced materials, impact-resistant glass, and tightly sealed frames that prevent water and air from penetrating your home. For areas like Orangeburg, which occasionally face severe storms, these windows are a must-have for safeguarding your property. Impact resistance. Some weather-resistant windows are tested to withstand flying debris, making them ideal for homes in storm-prone regions. Leak prevention. Advanced sealing technology ensures that no water infiltrates your home, even during heavy downpours. Energy efficiency. Windows play a critical role in regulating indoor temperatures. Durable, weather-resistant windows are designed to minimize energy loss, keeping your home cool during Orangeburg's hot summers and warm during cooler months. Insulated glass. Features like double or triple glazing help reduce heat transfer, improving your home's insulation. Low-E coatings. These coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light to enter, reducing the need for artificial lighting and air conditioning. The result? Lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment year-round. Improved security. Durable windows do more than protect against weather, they also enhance home security. Weather-resistant designs often incorporate robust materials and impact-resistant glass, making it harder for intruders to break in. The added security provides peace of mind, knowing your home and family are better protected. Longevity and low maintenance. Weather-resistant windows are designed to last. They resist warping, cracking, and corrosion, even in Orangeburg's humid conditions. Materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum are engineered for durability and require minimal upkeep. With these windows, you'll spend less time and money on repairs and replacements, ensuring a solid return on your investment. Enhanced curb appeal. Durable, weather-resistant windows come in a variety of styles, colors, and finishes, allowing you to customize your home's look. Whether you prefer a classic design or a modern aesthetic, these windows provide both functionality and beauty. Their high-quality construction ensures they retain their appearance over time, even in harsh conditions. Features of weather-resistant windows to look for: impact-resistant glass. Provides added protection during storms and deters intruders. UV protection. Blocks harmful ultraviolet rays, protecting your furniture, flooring, and decor from fading. Reinforced frames. Made from materials like vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass, these frames resist warping, rotting, and corrosion. Multi-layer seals. Prevent air and water infiltration for optimal performance. Customizable designs. Choose from various styles, finishes, and grid patterns to complement your home's architecture. Installation. A key component of performance. Even the best weather-resistant windows won't perform optimally without proper installation. Partnering with a professional ensures your windows are securely fitted and sealed, maximizing their durability and energy efficiency. Professionals also help you select the right windows for your specific needs, whether you're upgrading for storm protection, energy savings, or aesthetic reasons. Long-term savings with weather-resistant windows. While the upfront cost of durable windows may be higher than standard options, the long-term savings make them a worthwhile investment. You'll benefit from lower energy bills due to improved insulation, reduced maintenance and repair costs, increased home value, thanks to enhanced protection and curb appeal. Conclusion. A smart choice for Orangeburg homeowners. Protecting your home from the unpredictable weather in Orangeburg is easier with durable, weather-resistant windows. These windows provide unmatched performance in safeguarding your home from storms, heat, and humidity while improving energy efficiency, security, and style. If you're looking to upgrade your home's protection and functionality, consider installing weather-resistant windows. Partner with a trusted local professional to ensure proper installation and enjoy peace of mind knowing your home is equipped to handle anything Mother Nature throws its way. Take the first step toward a more secure, efficient, and beautiful home. Invest in durable, weather-resistant windows today.